Today, I'll possibly show you one of the simplest curries. The whole idea and purpose of this recipe is to ensure that you step out of the kitchen at the 15th minute. Let's begin baby corn peas curry. Well, the recipe is as simple as beginning with the tempering, adding in all the ingredients, adding in water, salt, couple of spices, pressure cooking this under a couple of whistles, and there you go. Mash it, and I'll tell you what further happens. We begin with a pressure cooker, and we begin with mustard oil. Very, very, very important for this recipe. Let's add in cumin seeds. Once these crackle, sliced onions. Saute this for a couple of seconds. Ensure the onions do not change color. No browning, no caramelizing, absolutely nothing. Just sauteing for a couple of seconds and add in a paste of garlic and dried red chilies. Time to add in turmeric and coriander powder. Mix this well. The next that goes in, tomatoes cut into a half. Time to add in fresh peas and along with this, baby corn. Just ensure you wash this and leave them whole. Time to add in salt and finally water. Let's stir this well. Finally, we stir this well, cover this, place the whistle and allow this to cook under 3 whistles on medium flame. This should be done and ready, and with this, off goes the flame. Allow the pressure in the cooker to subside completely, and after that, we serve this with a bowl of steaming hot rice. Just before serving, we ensure that we remove the tomato skin like so, and also mash the tomato lightly. And this will also ensure the flavor profile kind of doubles up. Once the tomato skin moves off, once the tomatoes are mashed, boil this for a couple of minutes to ensure that the thickness is of the desired consistency. Well, you can also add in a couple of potatoes to ensure that the starch of the potato eventually starts thickening this curry, which can kind of get even thicker and become like a gravy. But for now, we'll settle at this. Serve this with a bowl of steamed rice. You can serve this with chapati. Also, if I may add, serve this with luchi. Try this for your family, try this for your friends, and let me know how you like this. For now, this is me, the Bombay chef Varun signing off. Bye for now.